minus L times L plus 1 A naught P to the minus 2, rho to the minus 2, plus A naught, well, there is no rho to the 0 is 1. That is the term for n equals 0. The term for n equals 1 is, well, everything over this way disappears, minus A1 rho naught, that this becomes 1, minus L times L plus 1, A1 rho to the minus 1, still there, plus A naught rho, which is n equals 1. Now, you can see that this can cancel out this, so these two have to be equal. Well, they have to be, the negative of this has to be equal to this. This will get canceled out by the first term over here. This can get canceled out by this, so their coefficients have to be equal. But there's no other degree -2 term anywhere. If L is equal to 0, then we're going to get a trivial solution. And if L is not equal to 0, then the only way for this to give us a 0 power series is for A naught to be 0. But we know by these relations that A naught and A1 have to be proportional, which would make A1 0. And there's going to be a relation over this way when we create the next term that makes A1 proportional to A2, which means A2 must be 0. And so we'll get the trivial solution, psi r is equal to 0. Technically, that's a solution to the equation, but is it what happens in real life? So, psi r equals 0 implies that the entire wave function is 0. And a non-normalizable wave function means nothing. So, clearly, we've done something wrong. We have to get a better answer. But how? Well, our first thought is that maybe something went wrong because of the function's behavior at 0.